Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to resolve copyright claims. First, you'll know you have a copyright claim or strike if you receive an email from YouTube or see it flagged in your YouTube Studio Analytics. When that happens, go into your YouTube Studio and find the affected video. If it was a live stream, switch to the Live tab to locate it. Once you've found the video, it will indicate if the video is ineligible for monetization or if there are restrictions like being blocked in certain regions. In some cases, the video might still be viewable, but you can't earn money from it. To address this, click See Details next to the video. This opens the claim information. Here, you'll see the specific content flagged for copyright. For example, you might see a music note icon indicating an audio claim. The details will specify the song, the claimant, and the exact timestamp where the claimed content appears in your video. Play that portion of your video to review what's being flagged. This step is important to determine if the claim is valid or if you can dispute it under fair use. Now, let's talk about resolving the issue. In YouTube Studio, you have several options under Select Action. First, you have Trim Out Segment. Then, Replace Song. If the claim is on a music track, you can swap it with a royalty-free song from the YouTube audio library. This option helps retain the content while making it monetizable. Then, Mute Segment. For audio claims, you can mute the flagged section. This is a quick fix, especially for live streams or videos where removing the sound won't disrupt the content. 4. Dispute the claim. If you believe your use falls under fair use, you can submit a dispute. Fair use typically applies when you're transforming the content by adding commentary, critique, or creating something entirely new. When filing a dispute, explain clearly why your use qualifies as fair use. Most claims resolved this way are reviewed manually, so it may take time for a decision. For many creators, trimming or replacing the claimed segment is the easiest and fastest solution. This allows you to remove the claimed part of your video. All you need is to select that segment and hit Continue. For instance, if the claim is on a specific segment of audio or video, you can set the start and end times to trim it out. Preview the trimmed version to ensure it works seamlessly with the rest of your video. Once you're satisfied, click Continue and then click Trim. Keep in mind that this action is permanent. Once the claim is resolved and your video is processed, monetization will be restored, allowing you to earn revenue again. Always review the final result to ensure the edits didn't affect the flow or quality of your content. Now, if you want to make serious money from YouTube without getting demonetized or facing copyright issues, you need to learn the correct methods to follow. I believe I found the best YouTube course in the world for complete beginners. Click the link in the description to check it out.